Hi, I'm Daniel from liGo.co.uk and these are the top 5 best headsets for working from home. Over the last year, many of us have had to get used to working from home, and even as COVID restrictions lift, it's likely that a lot of people will still be doing that at least some of the time. Here at liGo, we get asked a lot about what exactly is the best headset to get if you're going to be making a lot of Zoom and Teams calls at home. So to help you make the right choice, we've picked out the top 5 best headsets. First up, we have an entry from Sennheiser, the SC135. This mono-corded headset can be used with both PC and mobile. As with a number of other headsets on our list, the SC135 automatically adjusts its sound profile between calls and music, so you're always getting the best possible audio quality. Another thing to mention about this headset is that it's extremely comfortable to wear for long periods of time. With a large padded ear cup and padded headband, it's something you can wear all day without it ever really feeling like it's getting in the way. Number 4 on our list is another corded headset, the Jabra Evolve 20. Jabra are one of the most well-regarded headset brands on the market, and we rate them very highly here at liGo. The Evolve 20 is one of their entry-level models, so if you want something that's not going to break the bank, but still gives you good value for money, then this is a great choice. It comes with Jabra's trademark noise-cancelling software built into the microphone to ensure that you always sound crystal clear, even if there's a lot of sound going on in the background. And as a corded headset, it's extremely easy to set up. Just plug the USB connection into your computer and it's ready to go. Third up, we have the Plantronics Blackwire 3210. This headset is mass deployed in a lot of call centers thanks to its noise cancelling microphone, which is really good at blocking out background noise. So if you live in a busy household or you want something you can take into the office with you as well, then this is a great shout. It offers the same wideband audio that you'd find in more expensive headsets, but at a fraction of the price. And it's also very lightweight, so it's not something that's uncomfortable to wear. Next up, we have another entry from Jabra, the Evolve 40. Like the Evolve 20 we covered earlier, this is a corded headset. However, it's a major step up from that model, with superior build quality, HD sound, and excellent passive noise cancellation from the twin ear cups. As well as USB connectivity, this headset also has a detachable 3.5mm jack, which means you can use it on both PCs and mobiles. With the kind of quality you'd expect from a headset at double this price, the Evolve 40 is excellent value for money. And finally, our number 1 best buy, the Jabra Evolve 65. The only wireless headset on our list, that makes it ideal for working from home, as you can go and make a cup of tea or answer the door to get a delivery while still remaining on a call. It's Bluetooth, so it will work with both PCs and mobiles, and you can even connect it to 2 devices simultaneously, so you can answer a call on whatever device rings. What's more, the USB charging cable also lets you use it as a corded headset, so if it's about to run out of power during a call, you can just plug it straight into your computer. One of the best sounding headsets on the market, this is a great example of why Jabra are so well regarded by professionals. In fact, this is the headset used by liGo's very own customer service team. So there we have it, the top 5 best headsets for working from home. To find out more about any of these models, or to get your hands on one for yourself, go to liGo.co.uk.